Hello. Yes, good afternoon, everybody. My name is Graham Ocheng Osano. So today's webinar, I want us to look at these instruments. We'll be looking at Bitcoin. We'll also be looking at Ethereum, and then I want us to look at Ripple. There is no main reason I can say that we won't look at it, but the only main focus here will be the first two, Bitcoin and Ethereum. And we may look at others if time allows, but as it is now, let's keep it at the three. So to add any chart on your screen, you just go to View, then you go to Market Watch, and then this opens up. Then this is Bitcoin. There are many others. You can also write Ethereum here. Ethereum is ETH, Ethereum USD. Then it's not supposed to be I, it's supposed to be ETH USD without I. And then the next one is Ripple XRP USD without I. So these are the three main instruments I want us to look at. It is Bitcoin, it is Ethereum, and then we look at Ripple. So we start off with Bitcoin. So with Bitcoin so far, if you check so far, if you start from the weekly time frame, we have a very good resistance here. So we had price go up, it came down, it continued up, it came down, then it went as high as this. It retraced almost, let me see how much this retracement was. It made a retracement of just below 50%. Then when it went high the next time, it pulled back just below 50%. Then now, as we're talking now, it pulled back even more than 80%. So this is a very good sign. Now the price has gone up, it's gone up to this point, and this retracement we are having now from this point up to this point, this is 50.0% fib level. So this is a good place to look for a sell position. Where the price is now is a good place where I want us to look for a sell position from. We will be expecting that the sellers will push price downwards at least up to this level, which is 1548.3.04. If the price breaks and closes below this level, then this will be a good place to look for a sell position. And more sell positions, we will be expecting that the sellers will push price downwards at least up to this level, which is 34.53. So the idea is to keep looking for sell orders, keep looking for sell positions. Expect that when the price again pulls back up to this point, this should give us the best place to consider a sell position from. That sell will have a stop loss above this level. The take profit, the first one is here, and the last one is this one here. So this is on the weekly time frame. On Bitcoin weekly time frame, we are Bitcoin on the weekly time frame. We are looking for sell positions. We are looking for sell positions, but only up to this point. Then if you check the daily time frame, we have something else. Let me see. So in the weekly time frame, there is something interesting. We are having like a zone where the price is stagnating. We had a support, had a support. Then we have a resistance here. So we have a support. If the price goes down and touches this level, this should be a good place to look for a buy from. This should be a very good place where we want to look for a buy from. If the price goes and touches it but does not break and close below it, then this should be a good place to look for a buy from. So wait for price to touch this level, pick a buy position from here, expect the buyers to push price back to the upper side towards 30.575.74. In case the price ascends above this level, expect it to continue to the upper side. We also have another level here. This is another level on the daily chart. So if you sell it here based on what we said on the monthly time frame, so on this chart, basically, we have price moving down. We are looking at this level here where we'll be looking for buy positions. We are expecting that when the price goes and touches this level, this should be a good place to look for a buy from. Expect that the buyers may come in from this level back towards this level, where in case the price goes below it, then we will be expecting that the sellers may continue to push price downwards, at least up to this level here. The next target is this one, and the next target is the one we have at the very bottom, which is this one. So technically speaking, we are in the seller's zone. We are looking for sell positions. We are looking for sell orders, at least up to this level. We'll be looking for a buy around this area. The next place we want to buy from is this area here. When this level is broken, the next area will be this one here. If this is broken, then the last one is this one. So that is my opinion on that. The next chart I want us to have a look at was Ethereum. So we'll just do the same thing. We'll start off with a higher time frame, daily time frame, weekly time frame, then scale down to lesser time frame. So as you can see, we had almost the same scenario, the one we had on Bitcoin. You can see we had a retracement of perfectly up to 61.8. The price pulled back up to 61.8 before heading up. Then here, it pulled back up to somewhere in between 50. This could be 55% retracement before the price went up, but it could not go above this level here. So as it is right now, the price is somewhere here. This is a good place. You can see that for some reasons, after this downward move, we had a pullback up to 38.2% fib level. Right now, the price has pulled back up to 50, almost up to 50.0% fib level. So this here is a good place to look for a sell from. This is likely to be a good place to look for a sell from. We will be expecting that the sellers will push price downwards towards this line, towards this level. If this level is broken, we expect the price to continue downwards towards, say, 80.09. So keep looking for sell orders, expecting that the sellers will push us down towards 89, towards 90, towards 875, 866.36. If this is broken, expect the price to continue downwards towards 89.68. So that is a very good trend. That's a very good downward trend, that if you consider looking for sell positions, the best place you'd want to sell from is this place. So we have a support, there is a break below, we have a resistance, we have a resistance. This should be a good place to look for a sell from, at least up to this point here. If this is broken, the next target is this one. So that's my opinion on that chart. The next chart is we are going to look at the same chart on a lesser time frame, on the daily time frame. So as it is now, as it is on this chart, let me clear my chart first of all. So as it is on the daily chart, we have some zone. We have a zone which is forming, but it's not a very good one. It's not very clear as you would want it. So we have like a trend line, and then have another. That is this is not a trend line. This is just a good zone. So we have like a converging range formation, as you can see. If the price goes down and touches this line, this should be a good place to look for a buy from. We expect that the buyers will push us upwards back towards this trend line. So when the price goes down and touches this line, we want to be looking for a buy from there back towards the upper trend line. If that line is touched, then we expect the sellers to continue downwards. So right here is a good place to look for a sell from. Also, this is a good place to look for a sell from. Does that make sense? So we have a resistance. We have a resistance. This is a break above. We have a support. We have a support. We have a support. We do have a support here. This will be a good place to look for a buy from. If you don't buy it here, you can wait and buy it somewhere here, where the price will move back to the upper side towards this level here. So this will be a good place to look for a sell from, and this was a good place to look for a sell from. So that is my opinion on this chart on the daily time frame. I hope you understand why I'm saying this is a good buy. This is a good sell when the price goes below it, but that sell may not necessarily go lower. So along this trend line is actually the best place to look for a buy from. When the price goes up to it, then ensure you look for a buy just somewhere along that trend line. So that is my opinion on that chart on that given time frame. If you check the 4 hours on this chart, it doesn't look very clear, but you can see some places where we had consolidations of the daily chart. We are also having those places. We have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a support, we have a support. Then we have this, we have another here. So as it is right now, we had some shape here, doesn't look very good. We also have some shape, doesn't look very good here. But all in all, on the 4 hours time frame, if the price can break and close below this level, then this will be an ideal place to look for a sell from. So should the price go below these two lines, that will be a very good place to look for a sell from. It will be an ideal opportunity for sellers to come in and to push price downwards with the first target fixed at this price, 1611.03, and the next one is this one, which is 1366.28. So expect a break below. If that happens, then a retracement. Expect a continuation towards 1611.08. Then the next one is 1366.28. I hope that makes sense. The next chart is Ripple. So with Ripple so far, we had the same thing which happened on the other charts, almost happened on it. We had a very good trend line. We had a very good move to the upper side. The first main move was this, and we had almost 90% retracement. Then the next main move was this, and also this one we had more than this, is almost 80% retracement before the price eventually retraced almost 90%. So technically, as it is right now, the price may still go up, maybe up to this point. That may happen in the future, but as it is right now, we still do expect that the sellers are in control. We may see the price continue down. We want to see a break and a close below that line. If that happens, expect the price to break even lower, at least up to this level. So ideally, we are looking for sell positions towards this level. If this is broken, we expect that the price will continue downwards towards the next level, which is this one here. So in case the price ascends and closes above 0.56430, if it goes above this level, expect a retracement back towards the same level so that you can pick a buy position from there. If the price goes up and breaks above, expect a retracement, then a continuation upwards with the first target fixed at this price. The next target is fixed at this price. So technically, we do expect maybe a move up to this point or a move up to the ultimate end. So this is where eventually the price may go up to. It may even rise beyond that level if Ripple is to gain. My next chart, the same chart on a lesser time frame. We are looking at the daily time frame. So we have this. This is like a converging wedge formation. And then we have this. And then we have this. So we have this shape. We have this shape as it is right now. As it is right now, expect the sellers to push price to the lower side up to these two lines. If these two lines is broken, expect the price to continue to the lower side. So if the price goes up, maybe it pulls back up to this point. This will be a good place to look for a sell from. If the price goes beyond this level, then expect it to go upwards. We have a target fixed at this high. So this could be a good place to look for a sell from, or this here could be another good place to look for a sell from, or when the price breaks below this level, could still be a very good place to sell from. But if the price bounces off from here, these two lines, these are going to be best places to look for buy from. A break above this level, look for a buy from, at least up to the last line, which is these two lines here. So I hope that makes a lot of sense. That should make a lot of sense. That should make a lot of sense as it is. We want to look at the same chart on a lesser time frame, maybe 4 hours time frame. So on the 4 hours time frame, we have a lot of consolidations. We have a resistance here, and then we have this. So we have this shape here, we have this shape here, we have this shape here. As it is now, if the price goes and touches this level, this should be a good place to look for a buy. So we do have this level here, and we also have another. So we have that, and we have that. Along this level is a good place to look for a buy from. Along this trend line is a good place to look for a buy from. So we may buy it there, expect that the buyers will push price upwards at least up to this point. And in case the price breaks below this lower line, expect it to continue downwards with the first target fixed at this price. The next one is fixed at this price. So we have 0.3972. The next one is 0.34485. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's webinar. We'll meet again next week at the same time. Thank you and see you.